clothes, and his last breath spoke. He had seen all to be seen. A life once full, now an empty vase, with the blossoms on his early grave. Walk away, me boy, walk away, me boy, and by morning we'll be free. Wipe the golden tear from your mother dear, and raise what's left of the flag for me. Then the rosary beads, count them 1, 2, 3, fell apart as they hit the floor. In a garb of black, we must pay respect to the colour we're born to mourn. Walk away, me boys, walk away, me boys, by morning we'll be free. Wipe the golden tear from your mother dear, there's what's left of the flag for me.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Addy Lane. Take the next left onto Addy Lane, then turn right.
Wipe that golden tear from your mother dear, and raise what's left of the flag for me.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
West Coast silicone women with a fling.
Your destination is on the left.
New York City on the rooftop, it is like a chain cooch. But I prefer a little fur on Bertie if you want me to tell the truth. I like my pussy in my boots. Girl knows how to hold the tone. Comes along to the well too. While she's thumbing on my cock and balls.